explain, or could you outline how NATO defends itself against a nuclear attack? Because it's clear that on Russian state media, they are openly, propagandists, pundits, people close to the Kremlin are now talking in pretty straight and stark terms about a nuclear attack. How does NATO defend itself against a nuclear attack? Thank you.
Russia must stop its nuclear saber rattling. This is dangerous and it is irresponsible. NATO is there to protect and defend all allies, and we convey a very clear message to Russia that the nuclear war cannot be won and should never be fought. And it just highlights the importance of ending the war in Ukraine, because we need to do everything we can to prevent the war from escalating beyond Ukraine and becoming even more deadly and even more dangerous than what we see today.